Hello and welcome to another edition of Azure Every Day. And I want to talk to you briefly about AutoML, machine learning that is integrated into the Power BI platform and Power BI Premium. And I'm joined today by my colleague, Brian Custer. We just finished up a project for a public school district in Georgia. And the purpose of this project was to integrate machine learning, predictive analytics, to be able to feed a number of inputs that existed in our data, information about students, the classes they had taken, their attendance, their behavior, their grades, and schools that they had attended over a period of several years, and use that information to try to predict the likelihood of graduating from high school. And then the school district will use that to proactively guide students and help them out. So we used AutoML, a feature now of Power BI Premium. And Brian, you did the machine learning model design. And tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, that's right. It really worked out well. It was quite straightforward. All that really was involved was creating some data, like you said, that included some features that we wanted to look at, but we thought might have something to do with graduation. And then we just simply put it through a wizard in AutoML, and out came a model that was trained and ready to go for prediction.
Okay, so it was relatively straightforward to implement AutoML. Of course, machine learning models exist in a number of different forms, leveraging the capabilities that are built into Azure. We've got machine learning that's, of course, Azure Machine Learning. You've got Python and R. You've got integrations with SQL Server and, now AutoML and some other features in Power BI. Tell us in a nutshell what AutoML is in Power BI Premium.
Yeah, so essentially what AutoML is it's basically a wizard-driven machine learning interface in Power BI that works off of data flows. So you have to have a data flow first, and you include your training entity and your prediction entity in the data flow, and then you pass that to this AutoML model that essentially you essentially choose the model that you want to use, and then it goes and trains the model for you automatically, and then delivers predictions after that. A very simple pipeline. We just simply hooked up to the data that was in the Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage and brought that data into some SQL tables, and then you took it from there.
All right. Well, hopefully that gives you a taste of what you can do with AutoML and generally with machine learning integrated with Power BI. Thank you for watching. Check out the links below and join us again for Azure Every Day.